The Iron 883 model is the anti-chrome motorcycle. Black powder-coated engine with black rocker covers, black chop fenders, black front forks with old-school style Gators, black oil tank cover, belt guard and drag bars, and black cast 13-spoke aluminum wheels. The Tour Sportster was introduced in 1952. This 2015 Harley-Davidson pre-owned Sportster 883 Iron XL 883N Black Denim is for sale at Goe Harley-Davidson. This rubber-mounted Evolution 883cc engine has aluminum heads and cylinders to lighten the load of the bike and improving air cooling efficiency. Electronic fuel injection, 5-speed transmission. Sportsters are known for their reliability, 300mm brake rotors, and 34mm pistons for more stopping power. The combination of a lower front and rear suspension together with a low, narrow solo seat, just 25.7 inches high, provides comfort and confidence. Iconic peanut fuel tank, slam-back drag-style handlebar puts you in a forward, aggressive riding position. Mid-mounted floor controls. This 2015 Sportster 883 Iron XL 883N Black Denim is for sale at Goe Harley-Davidson.